Manchester City Football Club here in the training session as they gear up led for the UEFA Champions League. The first leg match is the semi-final of the great tournament in the world. These are the Manchester City footballers. These are the Manchester City football stars. Here there is Kevin De Bruyne, the goal machine of the Belgium national team, and Manchester City attacking midfielder. And this one is just Erling Haaland, the player of the Manchester City Football Club, the striker who has so many goals in the Premier League, and of course he is just one among of the dangerous striker so far in this world right now. And currently these are the fantastic players. There is Rodrigo as the midfield of this club, Manchester City Football Club. There is also Gundogan, the captain of this national team, the captain of the German national team, and the captain of Manchester City Football Club. In fact, here there is also Phil Foden, the young star of this club, the left wing of this club. Mahrez, this is just one among of the dangerous player as they have been training here. Of course, there is also here Ika Walker, the fullback of the Manchester City Football Club. They are in the training ground ready to encounter their opponent in UEFA Champions League 2022, and it's going to be the fantastic match. This one is just the genius Pep Guardiola, fantastic Pep Guardiola. He's just supervising the training session ahead of the all-time great opponent Real Madrid. Of course, Pep Guardiola knows all the quality of the Real Madrid Football Club, as he understands well that they have the quality team, they have the quality player, and in fact, the same to Manchester City Football Club. This season, they have the organized, and of course, it's going to be the difficult match. It's going to be the decisive match on both sides, only because Manchester City